Well, I slept like an absolute baby last night, thanks to the aircon in here. It's been pretty chilly in here, which is how I like it actually to sleep. So today's plan, I've got another project to do, which will go really nicely with solar, and I actually just want to show you. So essentially this is a 400 amp battery from LiTime. It has a 250 amp BMS system in it, and they are advertising 4,000 discharge life cycle at 100% discharge. So to give you some perspective, you could drain this battery every day fully and you're going to get about 11 years out of it, which is pretty crazy. So just to give you an idea of how far lithium technology has progressed since I put my first battery in about 2 years ago. My original battery is a 200 amp and it's here. The only difference between it and this new one, which is double the capacity, the new one is slightly wider and a bit heavier, but I think that's amazing. Like, it's only been 2 years and somehow batteries are double the capacity and 20% as big as they, or 20% bigger. So yeah, that's pretty impressive, I think. Then I want to try something pretty cool, because now this fan has 580 watts of solar on the roof and 400 amp hour battery. I think I've got enough solar in here that I can run the aircon off the sun. Okay, so I first want to see just how much this uses by itself. We are using 23 amps and I'm going to flick the solar back on. There we go. 10 amps. 10 amps of free power. Actually, way more than that. At the moment, the aircon is running. Actually, I'll put the lights on too. We're still at plus 8 amps. I've got the aircon running, the lights on. I'll put the fan on too. Let's go. Fan, a little bit more comfort. And we're still producing 7 amps of surplus power, which means I can have the aircon running in the middle of summer and it's free. It doesn't drain the battery at all. It's just going to run off the sun. So how crazy is that? I'm stoked. Oh, that's awesome.